Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Glam Girl Krishna. So in today's I'm breaking down the perfect smoky eye look for our beginners. It's easy to follow and I'll share all the tips and tricks to make your eyes pop without the hassle. Let's get started. To make sure our eyeshadows last us all day and looks flawless, we need to prep the eyelids. Apply an eyeshadow primer or a light concealer all over your eyelid. I'm gonna be using Swiss Beauty Concealer Palette. This helps naturalize any discoloration and gives the eyeshadow something to stick to. Set with a translucent powder to prevent creasing. A smoky eye is all about blending multiple shades seamlessly. Here's what you'll need. Start with a transition shade to make a blending easier and added depth to the crease. Use a fluffy blending brush to apply a light brown or taupe shade to your crease. Blend in windshield wiper motions, focusing on the outer edge. Remember, the key is to blend well so there are no harsh lines. Next, let's deepen the outer corner with a medium toned shade. Take a smaller blending brush and apply the shade to the outer corner of your eyelid. Pack the color on a first, then blend towards the crease. Now for the smoky effect, this step adds a drama to the look. Use a dense brush to apply the dark shade black or a deep charcoal. I am using black shade to the outer V of my eyelid. Focus on the outer corner and blend slightly towards the center. Smudge a little of the dark shade along the lower lash line. This ties the top and bottom together for a cohesive look. Let's brighten things up with a highlighter shade. Apply a shimmery champion or a light shade to the inner corner of your eyes. This makes your eyes look more awake and adds a pop of light. Sweep the same shade lightly under your brow bone. For a softer look, smudge the liner with a pencil brush. Line your lower waterline with the same eyeliner or a kajal for extra intensity. Eyeliner really brings this look together. Use a black or a dark brown eyeliner to line your upper lash line. I am using black eyeliner. A gel eyeliner works best for a smooth application. Finish the eyes with lots of mascara or even false lashes for added drama. I am using Bobbi Brown mascara. Curl your lashes and apply a 2-3 coats of volumizing mascara. Wiggle the wand at the base of your lashes for extra volume. If you're comfortable, apply a false lashes for a bold look. Clean up and final touches to keep everything looking clean and polished. Let's tidy up. Blend one last time to make sure everything looks seamless. By the way, check out the full list of products I am using in this video linked down below in the description box. Don't forget to explore and grab your favorites. And there you have it, a simple yet stunning smoky eye look that's perfect for our beginners. Practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different colors, different palettes and techniques. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a big thumbs up, like, comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more makeup tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.